Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link between two tasks in TickTick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice the inbox option there. Go ahead and click on it. This will display all your current tasks and give you access to the linking feature we need. Now, locate the task you want to link from. This is the source task that you'll be referencing in another task. Once you've found it, right-click on that task. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Copy Link. This action copies a direct hyperlink to this specific task, which you can then share or paste anywhere within TickTick. It's a powerful way to create connections between related tasks and keep your workflow organized. Next, click on the destination task. This is the task where you want the link to appear. When you open it, you'll see a detailed view of the task on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you can add descriptions, comments, and other relevant information about the task. In the right panel, you'll find a text field where you can enter messages or notes. Go ahead and type a message that provides context for the link you're about to paste. For example, you might type something like, "Kindly see this link." This gives anyone viewing the task a clear indication of what the hyperlink is for and why it's relevant to the current task. After typing your message, press the spacebar to add a space. Then, right-click in the text field and select Paste from the menu that appears. This will insert the link you copied earlier right into your message. The link will automatically appear as a hyperlink, which means it will be clickable and styled differently from regular text, making it easy to spot. And that's it. You've successfully linked two tasks together in TickTick. Anyone who views this task can now click on the hyperlink to instantly navigate to the related task, making it much easier to track dependencies and related work items. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.